The spotlight's on you. Mastering the moment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in both casual and professional settings. The spotlight is on you. Understanding this expression will not only enhance your English language skills but also boost your confidence in various social situations. So, let's get started and shine a light on this intriguing expression. The spotlight is on you is a metaphorical phrase that draws its imagery from the theater. In a literal sense, a spotlight is a strong beam of light that focuses on a particular area or person, especially on stage, making them the center of attention. When we use this phrase metaphorically, it means that all attention is focused on a person. This can happen in various contexts, such as during a presentation, in a meeting, or even in social gatherings. 1. Professional settings. Imagine you're in a meeting and your boss asks for your opinion on a critical matter. At that moment, the spotlight is indeed on you. Everyone's waiting to hear what you have to say. 2. Social scenarios. Picture yourself at a party, and suddenly, you're asked to share a story or a joke. That's your moment in the spotlight, with all eyes on you. 3. Personal achievements. Whenever you achieve something significant, like winning an award or accomplishing a personal goal, the spotlight shines on you as people recognize and celebrate your success. Being in the spotlight can be daunting, but it's also an opportunity to showcase your abilities and express your thoughts. Here are a few tips to embrace these moments. Stay calm and confident. Take a deep breath and remember that this is your moment to shine. Prepare. If you know you'll be in situations where the spotlight might be on you, prepare in advance what you want to say or do. Be yourself. Authenticity resonates with people. Being genuine in your response or action can turn a spotlight moment into a memorable one. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrase, "the spotlight is on you," can significantly enrich your English communication skills. Remember, being in the spotlight isn't just about being under pressure, it's a chance to shine and show the world what you're made of. We hope this video helps you navigate your spotlight moments with grace and confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.